Are your power windows moving slower than they should in your Kia Sportage? Lately, I'm noticing that the passenger side power window in my Sportage is moving slowly and feels like it's struggling to close. There is an easy and effective way to fix this issue. Over time, the window tracks can get dirty or dry, creating friction that slows down your power windows. So all you need to do is lubricate the tracks. Silicone spray is an excellent lubricant that can solve this problem without damaging the rubber seals or window components. A word of warning, do not use penetrating oil for this purpose as it may damage the rubber seals and it does not provide lasting protection. While it might temporarily make your windows move faster, this residue attracts dirt and dust, making the tracks even worse over time. You will end up with more friction and slower windows than before. First, lower the window completely to expose the tracks on both sides of the frame. These tracks are where the silicone spray will work its magic. Next, grab your silicone spray and carefully apply it along the inside of the window tracks. Once you have applied the spray, roll the window up and down a few times. This helps distribute the silicone evenly throughout the tracks, reducing friction and allowing the motor to work more efficiently. Finally, use a clean cloth to wipe away any excess spray from the window or frame. Your power windows should now operate much faster and more smoothly. Here is a comparison of before and after lubricating the window. Look how smooth it is now. This simple trick will not only speed up your power windows but also extend the life of your window motor as it won't have to work as hard. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more car maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.